crazy how the flooding already started. And the people don't have nowhere to go. I'm gonna bring y'all up on some exclusive. Right across the street on that bench, there's a person. There's nowhere to go. I'm finna ride over there. And then by the campground with another person. I'm finna ride over there. Hopefully this light don't change on it. Watch this here, guys. Now y'all tell me if this ain't sad. This I Manatee kind of leave them out here. I'm trying to do two cameras at one time. This I Manatee leave you out here. It's just sad. How you doing? Traffic is like minimum at most. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh yeah. Just one minute. This is how bad it is down here. My boy been out here since yesterday. Manatee kind of hood and rough. They don't care, boy. They will leave you out here. They do not care. All right now, my boy. All right.